In this video, we will learn how we can easily find the difference between NumPy arrays. With that, we will also see some examples. Let us first understand what is the meaning of finding the difference between two NumPy arrays. That would mean, let's say you are subtracting two arrays, the first and the second array. That will subtract the common elements from the first array, and rest of the elements from the first array will get displayed. We have this setDiff1d method that will find a difference between two arrays. Okay, so this is the syntax. The first and second arrays are placed as two parameter values for the numpy.setDiff1d method. Here it is, the first array as well as the second array. So when we'll perform this, it will subtract the common elements from the first array in comparison with the second array, and the rest of the remaining values which are not common from array 1 will get displayed. Now let's see two examples to understand the concept. In the first example, we will find a difference between two arrays using the numpy.setDiff1d method. Let's go to PyCharm. Herein we have created a project. Let us create a file. Right click, new, Python file, type demo1, press enter. It will automatically create .py file because Python file is by default selected. Here it is, our first file. Let us create the second file also, since we are having two examples. Now we are having demo2 also. Let us find the difference. So we will simply find the difference between two arrays. Let us import numpy as np. That is, np is our alias here for the numpy library. Now create first array, that is n1 numpy array object. Use numpy, that is np.array method, and within this add the array values. Let's say array elements, I'm adding it here. So I have added 10 elements. Now create a new array. Since we want to find the difference between two arrays, numpy.array. Now I'll add values. So we added 10 values here also. Now you can see the difference between two arrays. Let us print both the arrays. Now use the for loop for a in the first array and print the value of a to display the array. Iterate the array. Do the same for the second array. N2, that is the second array. Now let us find the difference. Use a new array diff arr, let's say numpy.set diff 1d, and within that add both the arrays to find the difference, and print the result, the difference between both the arrays. That's it. So here you can see, I told you before, if we are subtracting two arrays n1 and n2, this will subtract the common elements from the n1. So what are the common elements between both these will get subtracted from the first array. Here you can see 30, 35, 50. These three are the common elements, 30, 35 and 50. Rest will get displayed. That means 40, 45 will also get displayed, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5 will also get displayed. Let's see. 5, save all, right click and run. Run demo 1. So here is our first array and here is our second array. The result difference is the following. I told you 40, 45, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5 will get displayed. That is the remaining array, the remaining first array n1, after deducting the similar values. So in this way we can work around the difference between NumPy arrays. Now let us see the second example. What we'll do, we will just swap the parameters and perform n2 minus n1. That is the second array. That is second array minus the first array. Here it is n2 minus n1. Let's see. So herein we have our example n2 minus n1 we will perform. Let us add both the arrays and also print them. So we can just take this from here, and here it is, same array. Okay, now what we'll do, we will just perform n2 minus n1 instead of n1 minus n2 here. That's it, simple. So let's say I took diff arr numpy dot set diff 1d n2 minus n1, that's it, and print the values, print the difference. And print the difference. Okay, now what will happen, n2 minus n1, the concept will get reversed because we reverse the parameters. Now set diff 1d will subtract the common elements from the n2 array, okay, and display the rest of the elements from the n2 array. 30, 35 and 50 are similar, so from the n2 array rest of the elements will get displayed. That means 55, 60, 65, 75, 85, 95 and 100 should be the output. File, save all, right click and run demo 2. Okay, there's a mistake, I guess. Okay, here it is, n2 minus n1. Yes, file, save all, right click and run demo 2. Here it is, I told you the following will get displayed. Okay, the remaining elements from the n2 array, this array. So guys, this is how you can work around finding difference between two arrays in NumPy. Thank you for watching the video.